Welcome to Sortifi, the first online design tool for professional organizers. In today's demo, we're going to show you how to create a project, add spaces to the project, as well as containers. So let's get started. Under the My Projects page is where you'll create a new project as well as access existing projects. In an existing project, you'll navigate over to the three dots, click on it, and this is where you can download, access the shopping list, copy, edit, or delete a project. So let's go and create our first one. We need to name our project as well as identify the space in which we're working. In this case, laundry. And then click Start Now. This will redirect us to the canvas. Let's familiarize ourselves with the canvas page. On the top left, we have the project name, which can be edited. To the right, we have Save, Download, Copy, and Delete. All these control the project itself. On the left side, we have the spaces, the products, and the labels. And on the right, we have the Edit section. So let's get started by adding our first space. Navigate over to Shelves and drag them onto the canvas. By default, shelves come with 4, but we want to change it to 3 based on our measurements at the client's house. We also want to add in the dimensions we got, and then click Apply. There you go. By default, the canvas is zoomed in at 100%, but feel free to zoom in more so you can see your space better. Now it's time to drag over our first container. Navigate to the Create a Product and drag the container onto the canvas. These containers always come in a 10 by 6 with a generic name, but we know what products we want to use in this project, so we're going to update these names to what we know it's supposed to be. In this case, Linus Bins. It's an 8 by 6 with a length of 12. It comes from the Container Store, and the price is $19.99. Now, we need to add the purchase link. You cannot just use your keyboard to do Control V to enter in the purchase link. You can either type it in or you can go and copy it directly from the store's website. In this case, the Container Store. Navigate to the actual product on this website and copy the link up at the top. Go back to the Sortifi, click inside the field, right-click, and then click Paste. And then click Apply. There's our first container, ready to go. By default, containers from Create a Product does not save to favorite products. You have to click on the Save to Favorite Product button to save it. But a reminder, only save the ones you use frequently. Otherwise, your favorite products list could get too long. Once you've saved it, you should see it appear under your favorite product list. You can either now copy and paste the container that's already on the canvas or drag the new one onto the canvas. And then proceed to copy 2 more, as that's what we need for our project. Next, we're going to want to add some multi-purpose bins. We're going to get these from the product catalog. The product catalog is products that was added in with all of the dimensions predefined for you. So in there, we're going to search for multi-purpose, find the large, and we're going to go with the front view. Drag that onto the canvas, and there we go. As you can see on the right side, everything is predefined. Next, we want to paste, and there we go. We are ready to go. Don't forget to save often so you don't lose your work. Last is to add labels to this project. On the left side, go ahead and drag text onto the canvas. Text can be updated by both size and font. If If your word is too long to fit inside your space, you can always go ahead and hit enter, and it'll move the one word down to the bottom. Now we can go ahead and copy and paste so we can add another word. And we're going to keep this process for all 3 shelves as we're adding in the labels for our containers. And there you go. Our first project is done. So go ahead and save it. And now we can export for use with the client. Go ahead and click on the download. 2 items will download. One shopping list and one the actual image of the project. The image of the project is in the PDF format, as well as the shopping list. The shopping list has all the dimensions, the names, the URLs, and the prices for you, ready to go to do your shopping. So I hope this demo video was very informative and helps you a lot, and enjoy using Sortifi for all your future projects. Thank you.